gonna do a tie-in today. Existing line right here, we're gonna use our Reed Hinged Cutter. Sometimes it's not feasible to take down the pipe. Sometimes it's quite easy, and that's the way to go. Take 15 minutes down, you can cut it, put it back up. Most of the time you can't. You got racks, you got other pipe in the way, plumbing, HVAC stuff in the way, so you gotta work in place. We establish it on the pipe, start working around. We only have to work it around 25% of the pipe. We don't have to work it all the way around like a one-wheel cutter. Constantly turning and working. Here we can turn a little, work it, turn it some more until we made our cut. You can't take a saw and cut straight through a piece of 4-inch pipe and be straight and flush. You're gonna wander off. This does a beautiful job of staying in line, making the cut. And in the field, it's probably the easiest and quickest, like I said, when it's already installed and you're doing like a tie-in like we're doing here. If you gotta do an in-air cut, I highly recommend the Reed 4-wheel hinge cutter.